We are live from the one and only Cracker Barrel. We've stayed at, what would you say? What's your guess? How many Cracker Barrels?
I'd say if we've been on the road 20 nights, we've stayed at 15 Cracker Barrels.
This trip in our life, would you say?
Oh, I don't even know.
I mean, over 100?
Oh.
Under?
I think we used to do a lot of Walmarts.
Yeah, we did. God, look at all this shit on the windshield, all this salt from the ocean.
Look how packed this place is.
I know, they're pulling some money. They don't need us, that's for damn sure.
We bought things from them.
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, it's not like they need RVs because business is slow. Like, these places are always busy. So it was 4:37 a.m. and I woke up. Zeke was barking, and Rachel usually always screams or like, "Oh, what's going on?" And so I kind of put my mouth on her mouth. I put my arm. I was like, "No, don't yell! I didn't know what was going on. I was trying to assess the situation. Is it a cop? Is it?" There was plenty of rigs there. You said right?
Yeah, and then you have to U-turn.
Oh, sure. So 4:40, Zeke's barking. I shut him up. I'm like, no, quit barking, dude. You don't need to bark. And Rach was like, I heard that too. It was a knock. And I was like, okay, yeah, I don't know if it's Cracker Barrel or a tweaker. So we just laid there for 10-15 minutes. Probably took us 20 minutes to go back to bed. Didn't hear anything else. And I mean, it is common.
We did hear other things.
Oh yeah, we did. Some dogs are barking in other vehicles and stuff.
So
You're right.
I think there was multiple knocks on multiple vehicles.
Yeah, which, what a strange time to look for gas money or tweak money at 4:40 in the morning.
Because Cracker Barrel didn't open till 7.
Yeah. We really can't say for certain if it was a knock on our window or door. Rachel's 99% sure. You said turn here?
Going straight. I did say turn.
I came out of a dead sleep, so I'm pretty sure it was on our window, but it was just kind of like just a very... Like a
just seeing what you're up to.
Yeah, like seeing if anyone's home, you know, didn't see a dome light on, trick or treat. It wasn't like that would wake us up out of a dead sleep and, like, you know, we'd know that it was action time. But I would have either grabbed the bear mace, the pepper spray, or the firearm and went up to the front. But I don't think it would have been a case of where I would have just opened the window or the door. I would have assessed the situation. Usually I turn the camera on.
Left at the light.
And see what's out there. But anyways, yeah, kind of interesting. That was the first time. We are in, how is this pronounced? Titusville or Titusville? Titusville, correct? Either or. Buddy and mine. Buddy and mine? Buddy?
A buddy of mine.
Buddy of mine, there we go.
And me.
Play on words, yeah, and
buddy
me.
Of mine and me.
Still half asleep. Probably still got the sleep in my eye to prove it. Went skydiving here, 18,000 feet. Supposedly the world's tallest tandem skydive that you can do, allegedly. Might just be, you know, a tourist trap type thing. Super fun. I would do it again in a heartbeat. I had a blast. I don't think Rachel has any desire to ever go skydiving, but
if you and I could go together, I maybe would, but I don't know.
Then we would have to learn, and I don't know if I really want to be the one. What if I had one of my fainting things? You're like, pull the cord! Pull the cord! I'm like,
he's out cold.
Lights are on, I know what's up!
Okay, maybe I don't want to go with you either.
Yeah, it would be super fun to do it again though at some point. Anyways, Rach wants to go to a coffee shop. We don't ever do this, so that is what we're doing. She found one with really good reviews.
Look what the name is.
Black Cat Coffee and
Roastery.
And aluminum. We're gonna get some screens and construction windows. So we'll check it out. We don't ever do this. This is, I'm sure there better be a black, is that a cat? Oh, I thought that was a live cat up on that power box up there. I was like, there better be cats in here. Gifts. Can't really tell. Damn, see that surfer out there? Right by shore, like boogie board, or I don't know. Rachel's been craving pizza for the last, what, 3-4 days? Lifetime, for sure. We like pizza. She found this place on Google in Cocoa Beach.
That looks great.
It looks great. It's a wood-fired, like, actual Italian.
They all were speaking Italian.
Yes. So we think we're getting the authentic experience here.
I might have to recut it.
Yeah, we'll see if the cheese melts.
And then we're going to pair it with our beers.
I thought you were going to say Paris. Looks good. Looks very good. Midnight Spice, Tripping Animals, stout with gingerbread. Rachel picked this one out for me as a surprise. Hers is sour, sweet cherry, dark cherry, tart cherry, and black currant.
Do you want
We are tripping sour ale.
Do you want a piece?
Yeah. Pizza's good.
Yeah. Too hot or fine?
It's hot. Oh, you ate, dude. All this foam is just in the air, and the van has just been getting blasted with all this salt water, and it doesn't make sense to go wash it and scrub it all down. It takes me probably a half an hour to do so. So we're gonna wait until we're out of the coast, or not along the coast, where it's just getting peppered. If I washed it today, by tomorrow it'd just look like a complete mess.
You're barking so much, you're cross-eyed.
Ready for a charge. See, digging like a moat.
Thank you, trying to find cool
Refresh. Oh, just get your toes dipped.
Yeah.
Serious stuff.
Huh?
Serious stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The sun is out. As I said earlier, we broke away from the rain, made the drive up north just a little bit more. We just went back to the van. Rachel cooked. We had lunch. It's like probably what, 3 o'clock? 2:50?
Yeah.
Something like that. Well, it doesn't matter anyways. 2:58, 3 o'clock. We're gonna hang out here for the rest of the evening, probably until sunset. Then we're gonna head over to Planet Fitness. And then after Planet Fitness, we're gonna make our way over to a Cracker Barrel to spend the evening. I think this will mark, Rachel will have to do the math, but what, probably 18, 17 Cracker Barrels?
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Something like that, which, don't get me wrong, that's not our favorite spot in the world to stay at, but we are very, very grateful for their hospitality to allow us to park overnight. because it makes zero sense for us to pay anywhere from $75 to $100 for a campground when it gets dark at 5:30 p.m. and we'll go somewhere after exploring, cook dinner, and then go to bed and wake up. We don't need power, we're good on water. We haven't paid for water this whole trip yet, so it's been about 20 some days. I don't know the exact math, maybe 22 days. No water, no electricity. In Key West, we did pay for a Vanlife right off Duval Street. Perfect location. It was $39 a night to park. Could have tried to do stealth camping. We met a couple down there, a little bit younger than us. Super cool, talked to them, went out, got some drinks the one night. We plan to meet up later on. If it works, they're gonna be heading back to Illinois. We're heading back to Wisconsin. And if not, when we're out in Arizona, that's where they plan to spend the winter. We'll link up out there. But they stealth camped the whole time they were out there, didn't have any issues. Our thoughts were, one, we've heard all the, you know, oh, they threatened to tow my vehicle. I got ticketed in Key West for illegally parking. Pretty much the whole state of Florida, there is an ordinance that I believe you cannot stay in a vehicle in any public ways. Don't know how heavily enforced it is, but I've certainly seen and heard of stories and accounts of people getting the knock from a sheriff saying, can't stay in your vehicle, can't stay in your vehicle here. So it was $120 some for technically 4 days, 3 nights in the Keys. That was perfect. That's not even the cost of one night in a hotel down there. Again, like I said, block from Duval Street. We had our kitchen, we had our groceries, we had our liquor cabinet, beer. So it worked out. It was really slick. Safe spot to stay. Weren't risking getting a knock and them saying, hey, you know, have you guys drank tonight? Oh, you're in a motor vehicle, because it was a private parking lot. Other than that, have not paid for camping, haven't paid for water. And the Cracker Barrels have been really sick. Really.
We did laundry one time at his cousin's house, so that was free.
Yes, that was very nice of Kay to allow us to do laundry. Kim allowed us to do laundry last time, I think.
Yeah.
They're my cousins, so that was very nice of them both times. And I just said Cracker Barrel's been sick. I guess what I really meant to say was Cracker Barrel has been safe and very convenient option to park and stay for the night. So that's the plan for tonight again. Then we'll head back here, sit at the beach, get one more full day of sun and nice weather, it looks like on the forecast. The storm is passed for tomorrow. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, it looks like it's going to storm, rain, clouds here. So we'll start heading
on the way
further north. We haven't quite figured out if we're going to go branch over towards Savannah or just head up north towards, through Georgia and then into Atlanta. Haven't really quite decided yet, but that's the way it goes. I mean, we didn't know what we were going to do and if we were staying at Cracker Barrel until an hour and a half ago. So that's just kind of how we travel and plan. Works for us though. Winds died down though.
Yep.
It's beautiful. It's nice to just walk here and stroll with Zeke. He'll sleep good tonight.
That'd be our luck.
I think he might land. So we went to Busch Gardens and I took Zeke out to go to the bathroom and he heard a roller coaster coming down from the sky. Terrified, never seen him that scared. And it wasn't intentional. He had went out there and went pee 3 times, not a single issue. And then the 4th time he heard like the screams of the people and he was trying to break his leash to run. He tried jumping a 6-foot or 8-foot wall. Scale it, probably 8 feet. Listen to me, a 4-foot, a 6-foot, an 8-foot, 8-foot brick wall. He tried to scale it to get away because he was so scared what was in the sky. And when that thing just came by, you could tell he was like, here we go again. Windy day here in Florida. Trees are just ripping. Hi there. Come on.